Well, good morning, guys. How's everybody doing today? So, I had to go stock up on my #1 seasonings, baby. Yes, staples in my household. Do you know that your food is only as good as you season it? I'm a believer in seasonings, okay? And a good quality season is what I like, okay? Now, let me just let y'all in on a little secret of some of the ingredients that I use for my food. So if you guys happen to be at the store and you see it, you might just want to pick it up for yourself. #1, wagyu beef tallow. This is excellent, guys, for searing your meat, for cooking burgers, anything. Anything that requires searing, I use this most of the time if I have it. Now, I didn't use it the other day because I didn't have it. This stuff is expensive. That's another thing. Can y'all tell me why seasonings cost $2,167.89? Yes, $2,067.89. It feels like it, right? Man, this stuff's so good right here. $8.99. Child. Garlic and herbs. Ugh. Let me just show y'all what it got in there. Dried garlic, salt, dried onion again, I think. Spices. It can't be onion twice. Y'all just read it at the store yourself. I do all of this all the time. I'm not gonna sit up here and try to blind myself. I need glasses, y'all. House blend beef. This is back there by the butchers, y'all, at Mariano's and Chow. Oh my God. I don't know what they did to this, but this right here make you fall in love, baby. Straight up. You need this. You need this in your house. Now, these two right here, you know, McCormick be like trying to do their thing. You know, they be trying to put, like, that's what I don't like about McCormick. They'll have the regular marjoram, then they'll have the organic marjoram, and now they have this. Organic marjoram, our best. This is the gourmet, y'all. And I bet you, I don't know, but this is just my thing. I bet you it's all the same. This is probably the regular marjoram in an organic gourmet bottle. No lie. Asian. Yes. Let me hurry. Thyme. Chives. Orange pepper. This stuff's so good. Lawry's onion salt. Mrs. Dash. Mrs. Dash. Lawry's. We love Lawry's. Mrs. Dash. Black peppercorn. And sea salt. I like the grinders, y'all. It's so fun. Okay, guys. Wait till you see what I'm cooking today. Peace.